Best mixer grinder in India. Number 5. Cookwell Bullet Mixer Grinder. Approx price 2,299 rupees. Compact and consumes less space. Easy to operate, clean, detachable and easily washable parts. Number 4. Philips HL775601. 750 watt mixer grinder. Approx price 3,299 rupees. Number of jars 3. Jar material stainless steel. Body material ABS. Blade material stainless steel. Speed control 3 speed control plus pulse. Wattage 750 watt. Voltage 230 volts. Motive warranty 5 years. Product warranty 2 years. Number 3. Bajaj Rex Mixer Grinder 500 watt mixie for kitchen with Nutri-Pro features. Approx price 1,899 rupees. Wattage 500 watt. Voltage 230 volts, approximately 50 Hz. Revolution 20,000 RPM. Radio knob, easy selection of speed. 2-in-1 blade. Warranty 2 years. Number 2. Prestige Iris 750 watts mixer grinder with 4 jars. Approx price 2,899 rupees. Ergonomically designed handles. 4 super efficient blades. 3 stainless steel jars. Superior quality transparent juicer jar. Number 1. Lifelong mixer grinder for kitchen 3 jars 500 watt mixie. Approx price 1,399 rupees. Voltage of 220 to 240 volts. Frequency of 50 Hz 1 phase. Stainless steel blades. Multifunctional capability. Noise levels of 80 to 90 dB. 1 year manufacturer's warranty. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.